Thank you guys, thank you so much. Hindi namin na-expect talaga ito, but we're very, very happy and talaga napatunayan na kaya talaga natin.
SB19 confirms sold out ang Dubai Coca-Cola Arena concert.
Is it really hot? Yes! Alright, thank you so much for the audience participation. Thank you so much for singing that song with us. Is it your favorite song from our EP? Yes! Pero pag sinabi ko favorite niyo yung Dam, sisigaw kayo. Yes! Sasabihin ko shooting for the stars, sisigaw rin kayo. Eh, ganyan kayo eh. Lahat na favorite niyo. Kasi siyempre love niyo kami, di ba? Yes, sir! Pero 18 from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you so much for coming tonight. Hindi namin in-expect na masa-sold out namin tonight. But because of you, 18, thank you so much. We really love you. Thank you so much.
Because of you, Habibti. Asa yung Hab 100? Habibti, 100.
Yes! Pero really, 18, are you still guys having fun?
Yes!
Parang it's our third time to be here in Dubai, right? And parang nung binalikan namin, yung first show namin, parang nasa 1,000. And then second show, nasa 2,700, 3,000. And then ngayon, ilan to? 8? 8,000? Ilan? Basta kung ilan yun, yan. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Hindi namin na-expect talaga ito, but we're very, very happy and talaga napatunayan na kaya talaga natin. Kaya talaga ng Pinoy mag-show. Talaga, maraming salamat. Thank you for your support.
Kaya.
It's our third time here. It's our what?
It's our third time here in Dubai. Ayun po isa lang din naman yung talagang pinaka-favorite ko naman.
Ano?
Kasi, like, hindi ako mag-joke.
Kala namin na joke.
Parang every time na bumabalik kami dito, alam namin, di ba, kita-kita naman ngayon na most of people here are OFWs. Karamihan, there are parents, mostly tumatayong magulang para sa mga pamilya nila, para sa mga mahal nila sa para sa mga mahal nila sa buhay. And itong susunod na kanta namin, alam namin na isa ito sa mga nagpakilala sa amin sa inyo. And alam namin na namimiss nyo na yung mga pamilya ninyo. So sana po, itong susunod na kanta ay maging yakap mula sa Pilipinas. Ito po ay Mapa.